In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Line. First, open the Line app on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that the app is up to date, because older versions can sometimes block sign-ins or show different screens. When the app launches, you'll land on the welcome page. Look for the login option and tap it. This tells Line you already have an account and want to access it on this device. Next, decide whether this device will be your main device or a sub-device. Your main device is the primary phone or tablet where you use Line every day. It has full access to chats and settings. A sub-device is for secondary access, like a tablet you keep at home or a work computer. If you're not sure, choose main device for your everyday phone. You can always change device status later by following Line's on-screen guidance. Now choose how you want to log in. If you select the QR code option, keep your current signed-in device nearby. Line will display a QR code on the new device. Simply open Line on your already logged-in device, use the QR scanner, and point it at the code on the screen to approve access. This is fast and avoids typing. If you prefer another method, pick the one linked to your account, such as your Apple or Google sign-in or your registered phone number. Use the same credentials you originally connected to Line. If you're prompted for a verification code or confirmation, just follow the instructions shown. These checks keep your account secure. If this device already has multiple Line profiles or sign-in saved, you'll see a list. Choose the account you want to use right now. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you manage separate personal and work profiles. Finally, review the account name on the confirmation screen. Then tap Log In. Look out for any permission prompts like contacts or notifications. Allowing them helps Line work smoothly, but you can adjust these later in your device settings. After a brief moment, your chats and contacts will sync, and you're in. That's it. You launched the app, tapped Login, chose main or sub device, picked your sign-in method, selected the correct account, and confirmed the login. If anything looks unfamiliar, stop and double-check before proceeding to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Line on your device.